Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an ASUS laptop. This is an ASUS VivoBook 17. The exact model is an M712. And in this video, I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how you can open it up, how you can remove the battery or replace the battery. If your battery is not holding up anymore, charge or just discharging really quickly, then you might want to replace it. And I will leave the link for the tools I'll be using and compatible battery in the video description in case you want to purchase for yourself. So this is going to be a very short video and very easy. So first thing first, you want to power it off completely. Don't put anything on a suspending it or put it on hibernation or anything like that. And at the end of the video, I'll give you a tip how to use your first time use your battery, and you should be doing that cycle once every couple of months. All right. Tool number one, a good screwdriver set. I'll recommend that I fix the screwdriver set as I purchased myself this basic tool set. And we're going to be using a Phillips number 0 from this tool set. If you get the Pro set, they will include you with an opening tools and some tweezers. If not, grab yourself a metallic guitar pick. A plastic spatula, it is good to have. With all that said, on the bottom, there are 3 sets of screws. There's one missing screw in here, but I'm very sure this is just like the medium long ones. Let me know in the video comment if yours is long or short screw right in here. The front end, there are 4 of them. These are the short screws. The side to side in the mid, these are the medium screws. The back 3 from the corner each, and 1 in the back mid. These are the thick, long ones. They're a little bit thicker than the rest. Right, start from the bottom front and remove all of them and keep them in a separate piles so you don't mix match them. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. I appreciate that. Now, what do you want to do? You want to use the guitar pick, the opening tool, and we want to stick it between the bottom cover and the palmrest. Just jam it in there, about 1 or 2 millimeter in there. And you just want to twist it. You want to hear those click sounds. Those are the clips are getting loose. Don't worry about it, you're not going to break anything. But sometimes over the years, the clips do get snapped and they do break. That's normal. That's because the plastic does actually expire. So don't panic. The screws do the holding, not the clips. All right. Once you do the front and the side, you don't need to go to the back end. All you need to do is grab it from the front corners and wiggle it around up and down, just like that, and it will snap the back side loose. So there's the bottom cover. All right. So down here we can see a simple 2-cell battery. Right in here it says ASUS is a 32 watt-hour battery, and the model for this one I can't see it, it's so small. Is right over here. It says model. Let me just grab it so in order you guys can see B21 and 1818. So that's the model for this one. To remove it, first we're going to disconnect. To disconnect it, we want to push this metal cover back about 0.5 millimeter so it clears the white cover. And then you want to put your fingernail on the side of this white jack, and then you just want to bring it upward. There's a little gaffer's tape in here. This gaffer's tape, watch out for the flex cable, remove it. You can leave it over, you don't have to go underneath. And the Wi-Fi cable goes all around the battery. Ridiculous, but yeah. So we need to untangle the Wi-Fi, remove this gaffer's tape. You don't need it. First, let's go ahead and unhook this Wi-Fi, just bring them upward, untangle them right through these grooves. Goes up, down, left, and right, and it comes untangled. There we go. Again, another little bit of the gaffer tape right over there. To remove the battery, we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Go ahead and remove these 4 screws or 5 screws. I think it's 4, only this. So let's remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. All right, and then we can grab the battery from this side, from the right side, bring it up, And the tiny hook, we want to push it this way so it removes these tiny hooks, clears it out. So there's your battery right over here. Let's say you got the new battery in, it will come with this cable right over here. So what you want to do first, you want to put these two hooks in here. So you want to put them in an offset position in there and then pull it towards the right. Bring it down. Once you're down there, you can use the spatula to push this Wi-Fi cable right through here. Let's go ahead and put the screws for the battery. All right. Next, we want to tangle down all this cable, Wi-Fi cables, everything that we loosen up goes up, down, left, and right. You just want to go all around the battery. There we go. And then push down these Wi-Fi connectors inside the connector right on top of the Wi-Fi right there. It snaps down. And to finish it up down here, bring this connector straight over the jack and then bring it down with two fingers, one on each side, and then bring this metal clip over, just like that. And pretty much we are done down here. All you need to do is to grab the bottom cover and bring it over. Push down the side, the back. You want to hear those nice click sound. Those are the clips are getting hooked in to this. And to finish it off is to put the short screw in the front end, the medium on the mid, and the long thick screws at the back end. Now, regarding the new battery, once you have the new battery plugged in and ready, do not power on the laptop right away. Leave it off and plug in the charger. Once the charger is plugged in, leave it there for at least 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, you can power on the laptop without the charger plugged in and bring down the brightness of the screen down to 50% and put some music or some movie. Don't put any heavy load. Let it discharge itself to whatever your Windows setting is set at 20 or 30%. Once you get the Windows saying that the battery is low, then you want to power it off, plug in the charger again, and let it charge again while it's off for another 2 to 3 hours. After that, you can use it as you wish. That initial charge and discharge is very important for the new batteries. And you should be doing that cycle once every couple of months to keep the health of the battery at its best peak performance. All right. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And this is how you can remove and replace your battery for your ASUS VivoBook 17 model.